TFNN. Headline News Update. Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. This year 11 a.m. update. We've got a sea of red out there. All the U.S. indices that we track, well, they're trading to the downside. Dow's down 147, S&P 12, NASDAQ 145.4 for the Russell, 253 for the transport, 63 for the semis, 18 for the NASDAQ composite, and New York Stock Exchange down 53 points. Gold's up $24, silver 98 cents, light sweet crude $1.43, and natural gas up a penny. Let's try to figure out what all that means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini upper left-hand side. Price continues to consolidate with inside its daily profile, support at 68.62, resistance 7,001. Spot VIX index remains elevated. It's above its 50-day exponential moving average. The 50-day at 1770. We're trading at 2004. That provides sellers with an edge. Take a look at the NQ. That trend line continues to act as resistance, but the bottom of its profile right now acting as support, 24,856. The U.S. dollar index, a close of 97.87. We're at 97.76 right now, would trigger an A to B equals CD pattern and get us up to the 98.88 level. Gold just in a sideways consolidation, as is silver. Now, silver has formed a new profile. It's got support at 73.24, resistance up at 80.39. Light sweet crude trading above 65.99 right now. We are at 66.54. Close above 65.99. Triggers an A to B equals CD pattern on the upside. Price projection level, the initial price target 71.83. Natural gas has initial price target from an A to B equals CD to the downside. That price is at 239. Price first has to get through that little rising trend line in order to get down to that level. And finally, we take a look at that 30-year Treasury. 30-year Treasury consolidating with inside its daily profile. It's got a TD9 count top. It's got support at 116.30 and resists up at the 118.12 level. Folks, we got a couple of seconds left here before we close out. The New York Stock Exchange, the advanced line made a new all-time high again yesterday. What does that tell us? That tells us that retracement should be brief out there, that the chances of any kind of significant pullback, well, basically they're down to about 2% over the next couple of weeks out there. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show, but if you have to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. We'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care now.